Welcome to this Tip Right product overview and how-to guide. It provides an overview of the components and each step of the process to achieve an optimal tip replacement. Step 1 utilizes the red tool body, white collet and rubber O-ring to align and firmly clamp the cue. Firstly, slide the O-ring down the cue as shown. Then lightly screw in the white collet. Slide the assembly over the cue and begin to tighten the collet. The collet should only be nipped up finger tight. When tight, the collet should be approximately halfway down the ferrule and in line with the groove in the red body. Step 2 is the yellow flattener. This is used to sand the cue tip face and also key it ready for gluing on a tip. With the provided sandpaper inserted into the flattener, put the flattener into the red tool body and sand the cue tip either manually by hand or using an electric screwdriver or similar. Next, remove the tool body and wipe off any debris. Mask off the ferrule to protect it against any excess glue. And reattach the tool body ready for the next step. Step 3 uses the green tip locator to accurately place and glue an abraded cue tip. The tool has been specifically designed to lightly grip the tip so it will not fall out in this process. Place a dry tip onto the cue face. Insert and lower the green locator to align the tip to the cue. Inspect the alignment of the cue tip from all sides. Raise the locator and tip and apply a small amount of super glue gel. Gel is preferred as it doesn't run and has a longer set time. Lower the locator and tip and turn to create the best fit and then hold in place for 30 seconds. Now scrape off any excess glue. Optionally remove the tool body to allow for easy removal of the masking tape, or if preferred, leave the masking tape in place to protect the ferrule until the complete process is finished. Step 4 uses the brown tip shaper. This has a domed inner face which the sandpaper fits into to shape the tip. Simply insert the tool into the main body and rotate to sand and shape the cue tip. Alternatively, an electric screwdriver can be used in short 5-second bursts. Throughout the process, periodically check the cue tip shape. Step 5 uses the blue tip scuffer. The scuffing tool is used to rough up the tip surface to allow chalk to adhere more easily. Typically, this step is not needed on first application of a new tip. Step 6 uses the pink trimmer tool in a combination with shims and diamond sandpaper to match the cue tip diameter to the ferrule. Two shims are provided, identifiable by either 1 or 2 dimples. The 1 dot will take a cue tip down from approximately 10.5 to 10 millimeters, the 2 dot from 10 to 9.5 millimeters. To use, select the appropriate shim to match your tip size, insert the diamond sandpaper and insert the shim with the sandpaper into the trimmer body. Insert the trimmer into the red tool body and gently sand by hand. Alternatively, an electric screwdriver can be used. Again, this should be done in short bursts of approximately 5 seconds. As ferrule diameters can vary, thin packers can be inserted behind the sandpaper if required, typically between 0.1 and 0.3 millimeters. Thin or thick paper is ideal for this. Step 7 uses the black burnisher tool in combination with a piece of leather to finish off the sides of the freshly sanded tip. Insert the tool into the tool body and rotate to burnish and finish the Q-tip edge. Alternatively, to speed up the process, an electric screwdriver or similar can be used, again in short bursts of around 5 seconds. As with the trimmer, if needed, packers can be inserted behind the leather, typically again between 0.1 and 0.3 millimeters. Thin and thick paper is ideal for this. Congratulations, you have now finished your cue using tip right, and it should look as shown. We hope this gives you increased confidence and improves your game.